Good morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we are going to be fishing a spillway. This is actually a local lake that we have around here. I had to drive about 45 minutes to get here, but there's some fish in the spillway. And so, without further ado, let's go catch some fish. Alright, we're gonna get this morning started off with a bang. Literally a bang. These socket coasters are pretty cool. You can get these on Amazon. They literally make these for energy drinks, and if you're like me and you drink energy drinks every day, go get you one. Not sponsored, by the way.
I hooked one, but I didn't land.
There's a little largemouth right there. Alright, so we're getting started off with a little white or bone colored spook. Oh, got a hit. Finally. Alright. Finally got our first fish, whatever the heck this is. Probably a shad. Or is it a bass? Oh, it's a bass. Nice.
Is that a yellow bass?
Yep. Huh?
That boy right there, yellow.
Ouch. 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 Alright. First fish finally. That's a little yellow bass. Actually, what was there, like, how many breeds of these? There's a hybrid bass, there's a sand bass, and then there's a yellow bass, which you can tell have like a yellow color to them. They don't get much bigger than this, actually. But the yellow bass actually don't have a size limit. You can keep these just like they are. And they actually, even though they're small, they have a pretty good little fillet right here. So since they don't have a limit on them and we're not keeping fish, we're going to give them to somebody who is.
Hey, catch catfish. I got you.
That sucker got some gills on the side.
On the side.
There you go, man.
Appreciate it.
You're welcome. Alright, so we did not catch anything on a senko, even like wacky rigging it. So I'm really getting desperate. We're going to egg sinker at the bottom with some carp bait and see what we can get on a catfish rod. See what happens.